Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neeta, Associate Professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies in the Department of Information, Communication and Technology. In today's lecture, we are going to start with unit number 1. Differences between Java and C++. That is, Java is a platform independently, means purely object-oriented language, while C++ is platform dependent, supports both procedural and object-oriented programming language. Today, in this video, we will compare these two programming popular languages based on various parameters. Let's get started. Introduction to Java and C++. Java and C++ are both widely used object-oriented programming languages, but they have significant differences in syntax, memory management and platform dependency. C++ developed by Bijan startup in 1979 at Bell Labs as an extension of C language. Java developed by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystems. C++ is platform dependent, whereas Java is platform independent. Now let's dive into the key differences. Platform dependency means C++ is compiled into machine code, making it platform dependent. Runs only on a OS with it was compiled for. Programs must be recompiled separately for different operating system. Java means Java is compiled into bytecode which run on any system with a Java virtual machine. Java follows the write once, run anywhere means VORA principle, means Java offers better portability than C++. Object-oriented programming approach. C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented programming languages. Allows multiple inheritance which can lead the complexity. Java purely object-oriented except for primitive data types like int, char, etc. Uses single inheritance with interfaces to avoid ambiguity. Java enforces a stricter OOPS concept and approaches compared to C++. Memory management. C++ uses manual memory management via new and delete keywords. More prone to memory leaks if memory is not deallocated properly. Java uses automatic memory management via garbage collection means GC. The JVM automatically frees unused memory, reducing memory leaks. This makes Java a more secure and memory efficient language. Pointers and security. C++ uses pointers extensively, allowing direct memory access. More flexibility but also increases the risk of security vulnerabilities. Java, no explicit pointers means JVM handles memory internally, more secure as it prevents direct memory manipulations. Java's security features make it is a preferred choice of web application and enterprise softwares. Exception handling. C++ provides exception handling, but it is optional. Errors can crash the program if not handled properly. Java means build up exception handling mechanism using try, catch and finally blocks. Checked exceptions ensures that errors are handled properly. Java's structured errors handling improves program reliability, performance and speed. C++ faster as it is compiled directly to machine code, suitable for high performance applications like game development, etc. Java slightly slower due to JVM interpretation and garbage collection. Optimized with JIT means just in time. Compiler for better speed, for performance, critical applications. So C++ is a better choice, whereas Java is better for portability and security. Applications of Java and C++. C++ is used in game development, Unreal Engine and CryEngine. Operating system means Windows and Linux. Embedded system, so Java is used in web development like Spring, JSP, Servlet, Spring Boots, etc. Mobile development, so Android apps are there. Enterprise software like banking and e-commerce. Both languages are widely used, but for different types of applications. To summarize, C++ and Java have their own strength and are used for different purposes. So we conclude that in C++ need the high performance computing games, system programming, and are working with low level system access. In Java, need platform independence and are developing secure and scalable web applications. So that's all for today's session on the difference between Java and C++. Thanks. So that's all for today's lecture. Hope you have got the deep understanding of differences between C++ and Java. So do like, share and comment Tecnia TV and more such topics. Thank you.